Back to my channel. My name is Cham Kosniak. We have another report from Mayom County. 14 suspects arrested for cattle raiding in Unity State, Mayom County. At least 14 individuals have been arrested in Kueryiek Payam, Mayom County, Unity State, on suspicion of involvement in a recent cattle raid in neighboring Warrap State. Unity State Governor Riek Bim confirmed the arrest, stating that security forces are actively pursuing additional suspects. He emphasized that operations are ongoing to recover the stolen livestock and return them to their rightful owners. The suspects have been handed over to the Mayom County Commissioner, and search efforts continue to apprehend others involved in the incident. Governor Riek said, "We must prioritize disarmament across the country as the proliferation of weapons among civilians continues to fuel violence." He pointed out that cattle raiding remains a major source of instability along the Unity and Warrap State border, and reiterated that disarmament is essential to curbing the recurring insecurity. Mayom County Commissioner James Lilley Kuol also confirmed the detention, telling the media that on Tuesday the arrests were made after authorities intercepted the stolen cattle. 14 individuals were detained for bringing in cattle stolen from Warrap, contributing to insecurity in both states. Commissioner Kuol said the arrests were carried out by SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, Division 4 Commander General Mathew Puljang, who also led the effort to recover the livestock. According to the commissioner, the recovered cattle have already been returned to their rightful owners. The suspects, who were transferred to Mayom Administrative Headquarters on Sunday, are expected to face legal proceedings in the coming days.